Hey, what's up guys, it's CP Films and today I'm going to show you how to hack Pokemon Go. So for this hack to work, you need the latest version of Pokemon Go, which is 0.31.0. And also, before doing anything, please make sure that you watch the whole video. There are chances that you may get soft banned and I'm going to show you how to avoid it, and if you get soft banned, how to solve it. So now let's get started. First, go to the Play Store and search for Fly GPS and then download the app. Once you do that, go to your settings, scroll down to developer options and then set mock location to Fly GPS. Go to Fly GPS and then select any location you want. Once you do that, click on GPS service run and then joystick location mode Pokemon. Once you do that, a joystick will appear on the screen and this will help you navigate in Pokemon Go. After all is set, the service will start and then open the Pokemon Go app. As you can see, I just leveled up. And if you go near a Pokestop and this does not work, if you don't receive items from a Pokestop, or if a low CP Pokemon breaks out of your ball and runs away, like 10 CP or something like that, then there are chances that you are soft banned from Pokemon Go. And if something like this happens to you, just uninstall the Fly GPS app, wait for a few hours, yes, hours, and then install it back again. If you did everything right, this should work. And if you change locations very quickly, and while you're changing location in the GPS and Pokemon is running in the background, you will get soft banned. And this is not forever, it's for a couple hours and then it resets back, so you don't lose any progress or anything. I just changed my location and now I'm soft banned. And now I'm going to show you how this works when you download the app for the first time. So with the help of this joystick, you can move your character around, you can catch Pokemon and also get items from the Pokestop. Also, sometimes when you're playing, you may get teleported back to your home. In that case, don't do anything, just wait for 1 or 2 seconds and then you'll get teleported back where you were just playing. As right now, as you can see, I'm catching a lot of Pokemon. If you have any trouble downloading the app or using it, please let me know in the comments below. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.